to my channel. So today we are going to do a 10-inch vanilla princess cake. It seems very simple, it's just swirls on it with different colors, so hopefully you guys will give it a try. So I've pre-made my cakes and they are going to be different shades of pink, so it's a little bit more exciting when you cut into the cake. Okay, so now we're just going to add the crumb layer. And then, as always, we'll pop it back in the freezer for about 10 more minutes so it stiffens up. Okay, so what I do is I try to find what side of the cake I want to be the front. I'm probably going to go with this side. And I'm going to start at the top and work my way down with the swirls on one side. So I pick my front and I'm just going to put random swirls in spots so that we can blend all our colors together.